Good morning. To Jalandhar Panchayat reject 5% land compensation share for flood aid, term demand illegal. Jalandhar, this news by Jalandhar. Two village panchayat in Punjab's Jalandhar have rejected a state government directive to contribute 5% of their land acquisition compensation to the state treasury for flood relief. Calling the move illegal, the Panchayat argue the funds must be used for local development according to the Panchayati Raj Act. The state government reportedly intends to raise rupees 30 crore through the move, which opposition leaders too have criticized. The directive issues via a letter from the Block Development and Panchayat Officer BDPO Jalandhar East to several villages on September 16 demanded that Panchayat deposit 5% of the compensation they received for land acquired for projects like the Jalandhar Ring Road into the account of the Director Rural Development and Panchayats. The BDPO later asked Kundiawali Panchayat to contribute over rupees 1.3 lakh from its rupees 6.26 crore compensation. Kukarpin to give over rupees 14.8 lakh from rupees 2.97 crore and Sarna to provide rupees 7.05 lakh from rupees 1.41 crore. Kundiawali Sarpanch Lavpreet Singh and other members have sent a letter to the BDPO arguing that the demand was illegal. They cited Section 85 of the Panchayati Raj Act, which mandates the issue of these funds for public welfare and development projects within the village. This amount was raised from the property of the Panchayat and it belongs to the Panchayat alone. The letter started urging the BDPO to help the collection process. Farmers from the village sent relief material for the flood hit areas on their own, but the state government asking us to give them money from the Panchayat account is wrong. Lavpreet Singh told Times of India the Panchayat of Sarna held a Gram Sabha meeting on Sunday where the entire village unanimously decided against the government's directive. A common refrain in an informal meeting held on Saturday was against giving the money to the government on Sunday. The entire village put its stamp on the decision, said Panchayat member uh, Sartajveer Singh. Otherwise, our village has already made 3 rounds of the relief material to flood hit areas of Ramdas and Firozpur. He added. Kukarpin Sarpanch Jugraj Singh said that he will consult with the Panchayat and the entire village before making a final decision. We shall not deposit the amount right away but would go by the collective decision of the village, he said, adding that their village was hit by flood water from Chitti Bain. This news by only for educational and improve my English reading. So my mistake, so sorry.